we've started. Welcome everyone to the Coding Dojo June 2023 monthly graduation. We are happy to have you here. We are happy to celebrate our graduates. As instructors, this is an accomplishment for us as well as you, the students. So we are happy to see your presentations at the end of this graduation as well. So please, if you would make sure that your mic is muted, and we'd love to see your cameras on. So let's have a smooth presentation, everyone. So we will start with this graduation ceremony, and then afterward at 2:45, we will see our project presentations. All right, so the goodies we're all waiting here for. Can't wait to see them. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and continue. All right, so I'd like to go ahead and pass it along to our career services.
Sure, thanks, Joshua. Hey everyone, my name is Brian. I recognize a lot of you. Obviously, you work with me. I've seen the rest of you in a lot of the workshops. Congrats. First of all, thanks for letting me be here. I love watching graduation and seeing like what's up. But yeah, my name is Brian. If you don't know me, I'm from the career services team. I work with the online full-time program, so AKA like all of you. But yeah, congrats on graduation. I came here to make a quick announcement. I know you're really excited to graduate and just have that certificate. But in terms of your career search, this is just the beginning. So please schedule your last final like one-on-one with your career point of contact if you haven't done that already. Essentially, we want to get a sense of what your job search will look like. What are you planning on in terms of networking? What skills do you want to learn? What certifications? How your job search will look like? You name it. Even if you don't know how anything's going to look like, still make a meeting with us. And in the future, if you don't know, if you're not feeling good about your job search, if you need help with networking, interviewing, resumes, we're here. I do want to drop in the chat the like CSMs for the online full-time program, which would be me, Tilda, and Zui. Check out our Calendly and make a meeting if you know that we're your CSM. And also you can email us if you have any questions. If you don't know who your CSM is, and if you don't know, no shame, you can always send us a quick email at csm@codingdojo.com just for any further questions and inquiries. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And thanks so much for listening, and I'll let you go on with your graduation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, let's go ahead and continue with our ceremony. Thanks for that awesome word from Career Services. Okay, so up next we have our alumni success. We can scan this QR code and follow Coding Dojo's LinkedIn page and post a story. Tell us your testimony about your time with us as a graduate, as your student. All right, we'd love to hear from you. Okay, so I'll leave that there for another second or so. All right. And again, a final congratulations, not a final one, but another congratulations from our entire team, from our instructors to our team leads, our TAs, our director of instruction, our senior director of instruction, our VP of instruction, our VP of curriculum, our curriculum team, and our student experience managers. They come together to help make this experience for you as a student a very smooth one. All right, not one part of the team could do it without the rest. All right, so we need a fully functioning dojo to make this machine work. And so big thank you to all of our staff, and congratulations to you, our students. Okay. All right, so let's talk about your journey so far, graduates. You've had 14+ weeks here at the dojo. You've been a full-time student learning, maybe working up to 70 hours a week. Okay, that is quite the work. All right, that is a lot of work. And you've had a session of algorithms each morning. All right, we want to encourage you to keep practicing these algorithms. Don't lose that habit. It's like working out. All right, if you stop working out for a long period of time, you'll lose your strength, and then you have to rebuild that skill, that muscle again. So that problem-solving muscle in solving algorithms and the syntax, the practice of it, it's like a language. If you don't speak it, It won't be there. So keep going, keep studying algorithms, find a group amongst yourselves, your cohort mates, all right? So keep that habit. We wanted to build that in you. You've worked 100% remote with other dev students, and that is an accomplishment too, because not many people have worked remote, and you have that now in your experience belt. So put that on your resume, talk about that. You can talk and communicate with people from all over the country and build projects with them. So that is something to boast about. And lastly, your belt exams. You've had 5-hour intense belt exams where you were building full CRUD applications, that is front end, back end, database. And for those black belt graduates, you have deployed your app. So congratulations to you all for passing those extremely difficult hardcore exams. All right, so belt exams have finished, check. We are now to graduating. So let's go ahead and celebrate our upcoming graduates. All right, I will hand it off to Max C# class. Thank you, Max.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you for the intro. Congrats to all of you graduates, those from my class, those from Sean's class as well. I wish I could say something about each and every one of you as we go through our list of upcoming grads, but unfortunately we do not have the time for that. So I will just say awesome job to each and every one of you. You guys have really persevered through all of the challenges that the dojo has thrown at you. So you should be very proud of what you've achieved over the last 14 plus weeks. So let's go ahead and kick it off with some certificates. Up first, we have Randy with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#, as well as a yellow belt in Web Fund. Up next, we've got Ben with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple black belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Awesome job, Ben. Next is Blake with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple black belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Awesome job. Up next is Dan with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. After that is David with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. After that is David J with a yellow belt in Web Fund, red belt in Python, black belt in our JavaScript stack, and another red belt in C#. Awesome job, David. Up next is Malo with a yellow belt in Web Fund, a double red belt in Python and JavaScript, and a completion in C#. Congrats, Malo. After that is Malik with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Next is Mark with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C# as well. After that is Matt with a yellow belt in Web Fund, a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Awesome job, Matt. Up next is Mike with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple black belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Awesome job, Mike. Up next is RJ with a yellow belt in Web Fund, a double red belt in Python and JavaScript, and a completion in C#. Awesome job, RJ. Next is Tien with a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple black belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Great job. After that is Tillman, a yellow belt in Web Fund and a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and C#. Next is Bill with a yellow belt in Web Fund, a double red belt in C# and Python, and a black belt in JavaScript. Awesome job, Bill. And last but certainly not least is Zach with a yellow belt in Web Fund, a red belt in Python, and a double black belt in JavaScript and C#. Awesome job. Congrats to each and every one of you. Great job.
All right, and that concludes Max's C# class. Next up, we have Sean's Java class.
Okay, so here's Sean's Java class. So I'm not Sean. First of all, I'm not Sean. So I'm just covering for Sean, but at the same time, I had a very good time with this class. We got a lot of fun and we got a lot of like cool presentation earlier. And I actually taught a lot of you, I think, from C# class and also this class. So congratulations. I think I would need a whole day to talk about how good you are, or like if I need to talk about that. So I'm just going to continue and congratulate all the graduates. So first up, we have Azik with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and Java Stack. Congratulations. Next, we have Bo with a double red belt in Python and JavaScript, and also a completion in Java. Congrats. And next up, we have Ben. Ben for Python, JavaScript, and Java, and he got a triple red belt. Congratulations. Next up, we have Kyle for a double red belt in Python and JavaScript, and also a completion in Java. Congratulations. Next, we got a triple black belt for Python, JavaScript, and Java. Congratulations, Devin. Great job. And next, we have Evan for Python. I mean, a double red belt in Python and Java, and a black belt in JavaScript. Very good job. And next, we have Everett with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and Java. Congrats. And next up, we have Jack with a double red belt in Python and Java Stack, and also a black belt in JavaScript. And next up, we have Jalen with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and also Java Stack. Congrats. And next up, we have Jason with a double red belt in Python and JavaScript Stack, and a completion in Java Stack. Congrats. And next, we have another Jason with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript Stack, and a Java Stack. Congratulations. And next, we have Jaden with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript Stack, and also Java Stack. And next, we have Joan with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and also Java Stack. Good job. And next, we have Kenneth, and he got a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and also Java Stack. Congratulations. And next up, we have Kevin with a double red belt in Python Stack and also Java Stack, and also a black belt in JavaScript. Great job. Next up, we have Leah with a triple red belt in Python Stack, JavaScript, and also Java Stack. And next, we have Lucas with a red belt in Python and a double black belt in JavaScript and also Java Stack. Well done. And next, we have Mom with a triple red belt in Python, JavaScript, and also Java Stack. Congratulations. And next, we have Jake with a double red belt in Python stack and Java stack, and also a completion in JavaScript stack. Congratulations. And next, we have Miles with a double red belt in Python and JavaScript stack, and a completion in Java stack. Congrats. And next, we have Peter with a triple black belt in Python, JavaScript, and also Java stack. Congratulations. And next, we have Renato with a triple red belt in Python stack, JavaScript stack, and also Java stack. Congrats. And next, we have Timothy with triple black belt in Python stack, JavaScript, and also Java stack. Well done. And next should be the last, but not yet. Okay, and Will, who got a double red belt in Python stack and JavaScript stack, and also a black belt in Java stack. Congrats. Okay, last but not least, we have Zara with triple red belt in Python, JavaScript stack, and also Java stack. Congratulations.
All right, thank you, Heidi, for covering Sean's Java class. Congratulations, everyone. And now I want to open up to instructor comments. So instructors, if you have any advice to leave us students with, now's the time to speak up. I'll say something as well at the end. So go ahead and take it away, instructors. Either raise your hand or just speak up.
And because I just unmuted myself, so I'm going to be the first one who talk about some comments. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, congratulations to every one of you. You did a very good job. Think about what you have learned for the last 16 weeks when you don't know anything about coding, you don't know how to write a for loop. And right now, you're able to write some kind of like BST binary search tree. You can do some sorting algorithm, and you can actually do some web application using Java or C# or like JavaScript or React. Okay, and you did very well in the last 16 weeks. However, remember one thing, if you learn so much knowledge in such a short period of time, you are going to forget a lot of information if you don't practice it. So my advice for the next few weeks or the next few months, please make sure that you go to your GitHub, like code a little bit. It could be a line, it could be 2 lines. Who knows? Maybe that 1 line will becomes like 10 lines or like 100 lines on that day. So push something on the GitHub, and it will be great to see some kind of like green ocean on your GitHub. You know what I mean over there. And that's my advice. And remember that you can learn a lot in such a short period of time. So you can forget about that if you don't practice it. But at the same time, you can also learn even more if you try to keep working on coding. And good job. A little bit code and test. Yes. And that's it from me. Congrats.
Thank you, instructor Heidi. Really wise words there. Next up, we have instructor Ruben.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I was going to say everything that Heidi just said. So take all that in and congratulations. And remember to every morning, try to do some type of algos to get your brain working. Other than that, good luck in your careers, and I'm sure you'll do great. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, instructor Ruben. Up next, we have instructor Spencer.
How's it going, ninjas? Congratulations. Here you are, final day of the boot camp, first day of some real hard work getting out there, right? So I just want to remind you that nobody, and I mean nobody that I've ever seen, has ever gotten through this boot camp without having a struggle on something, without having to apply some real good effort to get through an obstacle. So you did that. You are on the other side of that. And I want you to remember the strength inside you that got you through that struggle and made you stronger by doing that. So just apply that to everything in your life, not just coding, absolutely everything. You're going to have challenges, but success is on the other side of that challenge. So just keep pushing through. Other thing I just want to hit, and I'm sure other people will hit this as well, is all those beautiful connections you have formed in this boot camp. make sure you keep those alive. You have made some wonderful, wonderful relationships with people, stayed up late nights, you know, really, really put in some work, seen some other people's really strong work ethic. Keep those people in your inner circle, you know, spam those LinkedIns, make some connections. Let's do some networking and get out there. And yeah, you know, congratulations. You're going to keep doing great things. You've done some great things. Welcome to being a ninja.
Awesome words, Spencer. Nice job. Next up, we have our instructor, Kyle.
All right, I just want to say big congratulations to all of you guys. This is a feat. You guys have put in so much work, and here we are. It is paying off. Now, one thing that I want to highlight is how you got here. You put in the work. You saw this task in front of you and said, I am going to tackle that challenge. And you put in the work to get it done. So kind of springboarding a little bit off of what Spencer was saying, you can apply this in other areas. Specifically, once you get out into the job market, if you apply the same kind of work ethic, if you refuse to give up and keep trying, putting in your best work every day, you will get to where you're going. Big congratulations, everyone.
Wow, that was inspiring. Thank you, Instructor Kyle. All right. Next up, we have Instructor Max.
Awesome, awesome. Well, like all of the instructors before me have said to you all, congrats once again on your success at making it through this program. You guys have struggled, you guys have succeeded, and you guys have made it out the other side. Stronger people, better developers, you know. So be proud of what you've accomplished as you've gone through the boot camp. One thing to definitely keep in mind, you have a lot of momentum coming out of the boot camp, right? So you all have been had a lot of structure over the last 14 plus weeks. So keep that momentum going, meet up with one another and have those morning stand-ups like you did during project week. Help keep each other accountable and keep that momentum going, you know, keep doing algos together as well. So definitely something very important as you guys go on into the job search. And the other part of my graduation statements, as I say, every graduation, and this is purely out of selfishness from myself and other instructors, reach out to your instructors when you get those jobs. Let them know, you know, it is part of or one of the main reasons, if not the main reason that we all do this job is we love seeing you guys succeed, right? So make sure that you guys reach out to us and let us know when you get those jobs. We want to celebrate with you. So be in touch. And once again, congrats on finishing the program, everybody.
Thank you, Instructor Max. All right, next up, we have Instructor John.
Hey, everybody. So awesome to see you all here. First of all, we're all humbled for being part of your journey. Congratulations for taking a risk, for signing up, for showing up, for struggling between stuff when reaching into the MDN documentation and knowing what an H1 is, what the box model is, for trying to understand how Flex works, how Grid works, for learning about functions, loops, conditionals, and programming languages from scratch and databases, and taking all that knowledge and building real stuff, real applications, stuff that should be right now inside your portfolio, from grabbing APIs and getting data from NASA, SpaceX, Google Maps, and so much more. Can you think about that for a second? All these technologies we've learned, Flask, MySQL, React, MongoDB, .NET, Spring Boot, building bigger and bigger applications, coming and learning later data structures and algorithms, stacks, queues, heaps, binary trees. You're all special. You're all problem solvers today. Other individuals won't do those things. They say they want to do it, but they don't really do them. To all those nights, the readings, the struggle, you stuck through it. You managed your frustration, you stayed consistent, and you got it done. You proved to yourselves and everyone around you that you did it. Going forward, remember to never compare yourself to others. Think where you were 3 months ago and look at you today. Imagine what you can do 3 months from now. Going forward in the future, nobody really knows what it holds. But one thing is certain, is that you will build it with a little bit of code and test.
Awesome, beautiful words, Instructor John. And following up, we have Instructor Narciso.
He's so mute.
Hey, sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, before I do what I do every month, I just want to say something very serious. Identity theft is a very serious crime. And I'd also just like to throw the floor to any graduating ninja today, if they would like to say a few words to their cohort or to the students who have not graduated yet. Would anybody want to be nominated, or would anybody like to say a few words? Please take my time as yours. Jack, we got some Jack, we got some Will. Jack Attack.
Hey, I'll go for it. I'll go for it.
Take the floor.
Right off the bat, I mean, I just want to say thank you so much for such a beautiful past couple months. Honestly, it's been such a good time. Everyone in this cohort and everyone in this entirely has been amazing. It's been a really, really cool experience. And like every morning waking up, you know, we go through the algorithms. At first, I'd be very spooked. And then, you know, by the end, every single day, I'd walk off with a smile every single time. It's been awesome. Everyone in the class has been great. All the professors have been amazing. I just want to say everyone is going to kill it in the field. You know, I'll be breaking in those Google deals and working for NASA and flying to Greece and doing the thing. This has been a really cool time. And I just want to say cheers to that.
Right on, Jack. It's impossible not to feel wholesome positivity whenever I'm in your virtual presence, my man. I hope we get to meet in person someday. Way to go, Jack, and congratulations. How about Will? You were the other nominee. You want to take a few moments?
Yeah, so I'm not sure what my picture, my video looks like, but basically what I want to say is like, if you're in a stack that's before the final stack, like keep practicing those ERDs and make sure that you get, you know, at least 2 or 3 trips to Panda Express a week. That will keep you guys fueled up and ready to go.
Nicely said, Panda Express. So what's your favorite dish over there?
You have to go with the chow mein and then triple orange chicken, or else it's not really a trip to Panda.
All right, I'll take your advice next time, my man. Thanks, that's all from me. Congrats once again to everybody. Peace.
Thanks, CISO.
That was so cool. All right, thank you, Instructor Narciso, for having that there so we can hear from our students. I'll say one last thing, everyone. Nothing really prepared here other than what I usually advise, which is stay practicing your algorithms, okay? Keep practicing, hour each day. Don't stop doing it. And when you get to the job hunt, same thing all the other instructors said, treat it like a project. Treat it aggressively. Every day, respond to your emails and work on your project. Okay, that's the steps to success. Okay, everyone, I have nothing else to comment. Everything else was said that needed to be said. So thank you again to our graduates. Thank you again to our staff, and happy graduation 2023 June for Coding Dojo. And I will stop the recording now.